In this video, you're going to learn how to consolidate multiple workbooks in Microsoft Excel. To get us started, you will need to prepare your datasets so that you have division 1, division 2, division 3, or whichever files that you want to use. But in my video, I want to use division 1, division 2, and division 3 budgets. You'll also prepare the consolidation of the destination workbook so that they have exactly the same number of rows and columns. Because we are consolidating by position, where you select before you start consolidating is important. So you start by the top corner of your template, that is cell A2 for my case. Then go to data under Excel on the tabs, then click consolidate. From here, determine what you want to do. Do you want to count? Do you want to sum? Do you want to average, max, min? Depending on what your consolidation is about. For my case here, I want to sum books for January, for division 1, division 2, division 3, and apply also across up to December, and also for all expenses and income or sales. Since the workbooks are open, I'll not need to browse into that workbook. Instead, I'll select the reference for start by division 1, then select cell A2 all the way to cell N17. Add, look for division 2. Division 2 is here. Then I'm going to select division 2, then add division 3. For division 3 is here. Then I add division 3 to my consolidation. Then add. Use labels on the top row and the left column, otherwise this will turn out blank. So I'm going to activate this, check those two boxes, and you can it's optional, but you can create links to your source data. Then you click OK. Then you can see my consolidation is here. And you can see I can expand this and see total sales for division 1, division 2, division 3. For books, software, we have it here. We also have it for cost of goods, which is a calculated field. You can see that. Then the top or the expense total and gross profit. When sharing a consolidated file, you can choose to break the links to the source files or send it as it is. Look at this. If I click check status, it will show me that all division 1, division 2, and division 3 are open. You can break the links, you can update values, or change data source. Thanks for watching.